Hi lovelies, my name is Kate, and for those of you that don't know much about me, I have been changing spaces for a few decades now. I have been working in hospitality and eventing, interiors, some commercial design, and for the first time, myself and my husband decided, you know what? We're going to do our own house. So we have undertaken quite a project, and maybe after this, there'll be a few more, but we have decided we're going to flip our own home.
This is the moment we waited for. Everything you want is right here. We gon' give them what they came for. We gon' take it up from last year. Shoot on my shot, boy, I'm long range. Me and the team on the same thing. Stayed down, never switched up. Only thing changed was the game. I'm in the zone now. Nothing can change what we on now. When I pull up, know it's going down. Foot on the gas, ain't no slowing down. Aiming for greatness, no settling. Kick down the doors, they won't let me in. Taking no else, yeah, I gotta win. Watch me kick down the doors, they won't let me in. We're running the game now. Foot on the gas, can slow down. No, my team, we holding it down. We know we running it now. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Watch the game change. Yeah.
So today we're going to recap. We're going to go through what we've done so far, what we've changed, and what we've transformed. With my skills of designing and, crazy ideas, and my hubby, Ryan, who is more behind the camera than in front, with both of our skills combined, he can literally build anything, do anything I say, hey, how do we do this? That is his skill. So with my design and his know-how, we are damn excited about this. What we did first is we took occupation in December, and we had 2 weeks because we all know builders' holidays, they start on the 15th of December. We also had a very important little lady's birthday party. So we knew that in 2 weeks, we had to completely transform our downstairs living space, our entertaining space, and our kitchen. Let's take a look at how bad this kitchen looked.
So we're going to share a few do's and don'ts with you in this episode. First up, the kitchen. So, it was tiny, let's just put it that way. It was like a 3x3 space with no counter space, and these cupboards, goodness, from the 1980s. So we got to rip it out, all of it came out, the counters, the cupboards, the sink, the countertops, absolutely everything was removed. And we expanded this kitchen, we made the whole space fill the full room, including pulling in the outside space. We built this beautiful pill-shaped counter in the center, just from bricks, guys, and no marble, no granite, no quartz, no nothing. The whole thing was screeded, and look how it came out. Floors, walls, counters, all screed, beautiful birch ply, and these open shelves. We're so pleased with how this turned out, just giving this warmth and this real organic feel to this space. Not forgetting that stylized open shelving can be a great budget saver.
Another area that we did a little overhaul of is this outside patio space. So this was a completely outside area. There were sliding doors in here. We bashed it all out, got it all looking decent, and made this really, really lovely breakfast nook. This is one of my favorite places in the whole house at the moment. We sit here for dinner and for breakfast, and it really is just such a lovely family space. Ims, you want to just run and close the doors? We have these lovely stackable doors that really help it to feel like a flow out to the back garden. Let's take a look at how awful this was before we started.
So as mentioned, we completely knocked this whole thing out. All this glass doors out, gone, all the edging off, all the coping off, and just made this incredibly cool little nook. That's it. All we did was really take out the glass and build walls, and that was that simple. We extended our kitchen, created this little nook, and it's literally our most favorite place in the whole house.
Another area that we did a quick white boxing of was this area downstairs. So we did the floors, we screeded the floors, we painted all the walls, roofs, we even threw in a little downstairs toilet. Just give it some life so that you can move from outside to inside and it can feel like one cohesive journey.
Eee, look at this horrid little bar. Yeah, this was nasty, so we had to take that out immediately. We bashed out the counters, took off the cabinets, and just completely transformed this space. Built up a little downstairs loo, as there isn't a toilet inside at the moment, and then just started to screed everything. Everything needed to go white, so the floors, the walls, even the outside. So yeah, we got cracking. This area mostly is a welcome space at the moment and is going to transform in our phase 2. But this downstairs toilet was a great addition. We made them actually cut these cute little holes into the wall, to the builder's absolute delight. And they look just super cool in the transformation. Filling up those cute little shelves with candles and little decor items just really makes it glow so beautifully at nighttime. And I'm not sure if you've noticed, but we adore plants. Yes, just a few plants here.
The final thing we did is we bashed in a front door. There was no front door when we moved into this house, nothing. Very bizarre. So we bashed in a front door, painted the floors, we painted the walls, and we kind of really transformed this outside area that from the moment you walk in, it really feels like this amazing villa space. You know, this gorgeous kind of Japan-y meets, you know, nice villa on the coast somewhere in the Med. We love this kind of tropical feel.
So I may have told a slight white lie. Inside is one of our absolute favourite spaces, but outside is truly the heart of our home. As you can see, this very ugly pergola, and this outside space was pretty bland, not much going on. But the first thing we had to do is completely remove this pergola. It was illegal, it was built attached to the house, which is not legit, and it was too big. Therefore, we had to knock it down, rebuild it, and then we are going to build it away from the house. The plumbing caused us to have to rip up the whole tiles here, and the pool, oh, the pool was such a tragedy. However, one big thing we did do around the pool is paint the floor white. Simple roof paint, and it lifted the whole space. Then Ryan got his mitts on this pergola, and we built this stunning outside space, built away from the house and within the square meterage, means you don't have to put it onto your plans. Thanks to our wonderful mother-in-law, she created gorgeous cushions for our outside seating space, and then fill it with lovely plants, lots of decor, and isn't this just wonderful? I spend most days sitting here in the morning with my morning coffee. Oh, delightful.
So thanks for sharing this first phase of this journey. We have a few exciting things coming up in the next few series that we're going to show you. We are going to be doing our phase 2, which is super exciting. We're going up, we're going to do the upstairs areas, we're going to add bedrooms, we're going to add entertaining spaces. It's going to be super awesome.
In future episodes, we will be discussing all things budget and how we go about our planning. But here's a few top tips just to summarize what we've discussed. From the chicness of keeping it one color to building using simple methods, self-leveling screed and all its wonders, incorporating outside spaces inside to make it look bigger, open shelving solutions, and roof paint on the floor. Subscribe to our channel for more info and keep watching for new episodes.
See you later.